everyone, welcome to Glittery Tales. This is Amika. So today I tried to recreate Alia Bhatt's upcoming movie Gangubai Kathiawadi. So sit back and enjoy the video, and if you are new here, hit the subscribe and bell button. I post everything about makeup and beauty. So without further ado, let's get in the video. First, let's prep our skin for the flawless makeup like Alia. So first I am using a rose toner from Aroma Magic. Then I will moisturize, and this is from the same brand Aroma Magic, and it's for dry skin. Next, using a primer from NY Bay, and it's a silicone base. It minimizes the pores and gives a smooth surface. Now using Dream One Day Perfect Long Lasting Base from Maybelline. It helps to blend the foundation and hold for long, and also gives a smooth surface too. So my skin is prepared for the base. Today I will start from contouring before foundation. This is called reverse contouring. So first, applying the contour in the usual places like hollows of the cheek, nose bridge, jawline, then blending with a damp beauty sponge. Now over it I will apply the foundation. For foundation I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I am in the shade 230 Natural Buff. I'm following this reverse contouring process today cause in the picture Alia doesn't have a harsh contour, but her face is beautifully sculpted. So to get that, I am doing this process. See, it's not harsh, but a light contouring is there. Now I am applying concealer and I am using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20 Sand. Applying directly with the concealer wand, then blending with the same beauty sponge. Now setting the concealed area with the MAC Studio Fix. Applying blush now, and this is from MAC. Now moving to the eye makeup, and for that I am using Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered Eyeshadow Palette. In the picture Alia barely wear eyeshadow, but a pinkish brown tinge is there. So first I am applying light pink shade from the palette on all over the lid. Then applying this lightest brown and mixing this together. Now comes the main attraction from the look, that is the thick black kajal, and for that I am using Sugar Kohl pencil. First applying on the waterline, then thickening it with a black eyeshadow. Then lining a thin liner closer to the upper lash line. Next, applying a coat of mascara, and this is from Maybelline Hyper Curl. And today I am not going to use any false lashes to keep it natural like Alia. So my eye makeup is complete. Next, using a light pink shade lipstick from Maybelline. Sorry, I forgot to show the shade. You can check in the description box, I will put there. And highlighting the nose bridge a little bit with a LA Colors highlight and contour palette. Now to give the aura, I am wearing a red big bindi nose pin. Loosen up the hair with the middle part, and over the red border white sari, same like Alia in the movie. Now comes the most important part, the mole. For that I am using the Sugar Coat pencil in black. And with that our look is complete. I hope you will like and enjoy the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, share and comment. Subscribe for more video like this, and all the product details I have used in the video you can find in the description box, and my social media links are there too. If you want to, you can follow me there. So see you soon with a new one. Till then, stay glittery. Bye bye.